Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone has the Gmail account signed in. Open Settings, go to Contacts, then Accounts, tap Add Account and pick Google. Sign in with your Gmail credentials using two-step if prompted, then enable the Contacts toggle for that account. This tells iOS to read and write contacts to Gmail. Once done, leave Settings open and move to the next step, where you'll confirm sync direction and force an initial update to make contacts appear. Next, open the Contacts app and tap Groups to ensure Gmail is selected. This filters visible entries to your Google Contacts. Pull down on the contacts list to force a sync. iOS will query Gmail immediately. Then open a browser to Gmail. Com and check contacts. Changes made on the phone should appear. If duplicates exist, note labels or merged contacts. Make sure default account for new contacts is set to Gmail. In Settings, right arrow Contacts to keep future entries synced to Google. Finish by setting Gmail as the default account under Settings, right arrow Contacts if you want new contacts saved to Google. Then open Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Fetch new data and confirm push or a frequent fetch schedule so updates arrive promptly. If contacts still don't show, toggle contacts off and back on for the Gmail account. Wait a minute, then toggle again. Sign out and sign back into the Google account as a last resort. This reset often resolves token or permission issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.